Hey y'all, Crazy Pop back today, and we are going to make something really good. Now I've been asking for suggestions on what to make, and got a good suggestion. One of our good friends of the channel, Mr. Joe Jeffers, has asked us to make a teriyaki chicken cheesesteak. But now he only didn't ask for that. He asked for it specifically how he wants it. You know, he wants Swiss cheese, mushrooms, onions, peppers. And guess what? Well, that's what we're doing today because it sounds so good. And also on top of that, Blackstone just come out with that sweet teriyaki sear and serve. Yeah, that stuff. We're going to try that out today. Now, I personally have not tried it yet, other than just like, you know, a little spoonful. Well, it's not even a spoonful, just taste of it. It's good stuff. So we're going to try this out on this chicken cheesesteak, a sweet teriyaki chicken cheesesteak. It's going to be good. So before we get to cooking all this stuff, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, likes, comment, get all that stuff done. Really helps us out. If you're new here, hey, we have a great time cooking. That's what cooking's about, having a great time. So please consider subscribing, ringing that bell, and have a good time with us. If you've been here, hey, thank you so much. You know, I've been reading all the comments, and we try to get to them as quickly as possible. You know, with life going on and everything, I don't get them to them right away, but don't fret. I will see them. I will answer them. Thank you for all the comments. So with everything, I'll get all that done. Oh, what am I thinking? Look down in the description. There's a playlist down there to all our recipes. Might find something there you like, can't never tell. Also down there, there's a Facebook, a Twitter, a Pinterest, an Instagram. There's an email, there's a P.O. box. There's all kind of things down there. Check all that out. Let's heat this thing up. Let's show you some groceries. Now, we got to get this thing heated up so we can get some sweet teriyaki chicken going, baby. Yeah. So I think we're going to go with these 3 burners, but I think we're going to go down to low this time on all 3. If we need to adjust, we will, but for right now, that's where we're going. Okay, as far as groceries go, what we did is we cut up some, kind of cut up, diced up, however you want to cut them up, with some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I figured that'd be perfect for these cheesesteaks. What we have here, some bell peppers and some onions. We're going to kind of saute them up. There's the mushrooms. Got us some mushrooms. Now, these are not the fresh produce. These are canned. But now, if you use whatever kind you want to use, that's fine. Got a few slices of some Swiss cheese here. Got us a sub roll here. But this here is what's going to be the magic. Boy, I can't wait to taste this sub. This sweet teriyaki sear and serve. I have trouble saying that for some reason. But I'll tell you what, look at that. Man, look at that stuff. Oh, yeah. All right. Griddle's ready. Let's throw some chicken and some peppers and all that good stuff on this griddle. Let's get it going. Put down just a little bit of oil here. Throw a chicken on there. We're going to throw our peppers and onions over here. I love that sound, that sizzle sound. Man, I say it a lot, I know, but man, I do love it. I mean, some good stuff's fixing to happen. Now, you noticed I didn't season the chicken with anything. That's because we're going to use that sweet teriyaki sear and serve. I got it right that time to do all the seasoning for us. As far as these peppers and onions go, I just want to kind of, you know, soften them up a little bit. All right, every now and then, just come in here and just give the chicken a little stir, a little flip. Keep it cooking. Stir your onions and your peppers up just a little bit. Let it cook. All right, y'all, everything's almost done, but we gotta put one more thing on the griddle. The mushrooms. Let's get them cooking a little bit. That's one thing I miss about going to the fairs. You know, with all this crap going on here lately, there really ain't been no fairs or no street carnivals or anything else going on. And I miss the smell of all this kind of stuff cooking. It smells good. Okay, it's time for the magic. It's time to put this on here. Now I'm really can't wait to see what this smells like on here, but y'all get a chance, go get you some. Oh yeah. Oh. Now that. Ooh boy. Yeah, buddy, that smells good there. That. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Slide these over just a little bit. Get these mushrooms going a little more. Give you another little stir here. Man. Okay, y'all. Man, this chicken's done with that teriyaki, sweet teriyaki sauce. The smell coming off of that. Mixed in with these peppers and onions, which are done. Along with these mushrooms, which are done. You know what we gotta do now? We gotta put this thing together and build us a sandwich. Then it's time to eat. I'm not the world's best cheesesteak builder. So usually what I do is line my meat up. And I get my bun out and kind of see, you know, about how much I need of it on here. There you go. We'll go with that. The rest of this will get eat, I promise you. Crazy kids are here. So yeah, I think that'll work. What y'all think? So now, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and take my peppers and onions. Put right there. Put some of these mushrooms on here. Like so. Then we're gonna take some of this cheese. Some of the Swiss cheese he asked for. Put over it like that. Then we're gonna take it, put our bun over that. Just like that. Now to kind of help this along a little bit, we're gonna put a dome over it. Put just a little bit of water in there, steam that bun. Oh yeah. And while that's steaming, get our cutting board out. We gotta have something to lay this thing on. Kill the heat right there under that cutting board. Still got this on low over here. Won't be just a second. All right, y'all. This thing's been on here for about a minute. Oh, that bread's good and soft. And kind of hot. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna scoop this up. Oh, let's get you back in there. Some fell out. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, buddy. Look what we done did made. Got all that cheese down in there. Peppers and onions, the mushrooms, that teriyaki chicken. Oh yeah. Y'all, I just realized something. I've been saying this thing wrong all along. It's not sweet teriyaki, although it is kind of a sweet taste. It's sesame teriyaki. I don't know why I've been saying it wrong all along. So forgive me, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't know why I was doing that. Happens. Anyhow, it's sesame teriyaki. Speaking of sesame teriyaki, we got this sandwich to try out. Now, Joe, buddy, you're a genius. I think this is going to be perfect. We have the sesame teriyaki chicken. We have the peppers. We have the onions. We have the cheese. We got the mushrooms. Man. And then turn around and toasted it right there on top of that bun, too. Thank you, Joe. Let's try this thing out and see how smart you really are. Yep. You're a genius. Man. Yeah, buddy. That's it right there. That is perfect. I love cheesesteaks. I really do. But that teriyaki chicken, like I said, with that mushrooms and them peppers and them onions and that Swiss cheese, perfect together. Perfect. Joe, thank you so much for that recommendation. Now, if anybody else has some recommendations, we still got so much to catch up on. I got a Reuben to make. I got a Cuban to make. I got a lot of other stuff to make. And I got to make room for the gym too, apparently. Anyhow, leave us some suggestions. We'd love to try some new stuff out. You know, a lot of stuff I never thought about teriyaki chicken on a sub, honestly, cheesesteaks. So anyhow, let us know what you'd like to see us try. Joe, thank you again very, very much. I appreciate this. I got to finish this up. You get all that done down below. I get it out in a minute. I'm excited about thinking about the rest of this sandwich. And we'll see you next time.